Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious braised pork trotter in black vinegar. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 2.3 kilograms of pork trotters, washed and cleaned. This is a hind leg. I usually get the pork seller to cut it to smaller pieces for ease of cooking and eating. 130 grams of gula melaka, 4 pieces of dry chili, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of salt, 130 grams of ginger slices, 750 ml of black vinegar. I am using this brand as it is easy to find, priced reasonably, and it is tasty as well. And 1.2 liters of water. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat. Start with blanching the pork trotters. Put all the pork trotters in the pan. Put 7 to 8 slices of ginger and water until all the pork trotters are submerged. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. For this amount of pork, it usually takes about 20 minutes. After 18 minutes, the water in the pan is warming up. Rotate the pork trotters to blanch evenly. Cover the pan and continue to boil. After 25 minutes, the water is boiling vigorously. Open the cover and rotate the pork trotters once again. Most of the pieces are well blanched as there are no more trace of blood. Transfer the pork trotters into the colander. Alright, switch off the heat. Give the pork trotters a thorough rinse to remove the impurities stuck on them. Here are the pork trotters that I have blanched and rinsed. Very clean. Put all pork trotters in the stock pot. Add in salt, sesame oil, pepper, light soy sauce, dry chili, gula melaka, all of the ginger slices, 750 ml of black vinegar, and 1.2 liters of water. Switch on the heat. Give it a light stir for the vinegar and water to mix. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 20 minutes, the gravy is boiling vigorously. Stir for evenly cooking. Continue to braise for 1 hour. I am not covering the pot to allow the vinegar to release the vinegar fume. Stir occasionally to rotate the pork trotters. After 30 minutes, the gravy has reduced quite a lot and the pork trotters are getting softer. There are less vinegar fume as well, so I will cover the pot and continue cooking until the hour is up. After 30 minutes, let's check on the pork trotters. The fork goes through the pork when poked. This means it's really soft and tender. Taste the gravy. Wow, very savory, really delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. However, it's already perfect with the perfect balance of sourness, sweetness, and flavor. Cover the pot and switch off the heat. The braised pork trotters in black vinegar is ready. Leave it in the pot to cool and for a minimum of 30 minutes before serving. This also tastes really delicious the next day. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The pork trotters are super soft and melts in the mouth. The gravy is sweet and sour. It cuts through the richness of the fatty flavor from the pork trotters, with a little hint of heat from the chili and ginger. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!